How to choose the best method for recording your iPhone display. Please note, I recommend watching this video and my other iPhone videos from links on my webpage at URL tomstechnotes.com/iPhone. Here's a comparison of 3 ways to record your iPhone display. The iPhone has a built-in recording feature that's fairly easy to activate. When you use the iPhone's recording feature, it's very easy to use. There's no extra software required. The microphone in your iPhone records good audio, and as long as you're careful to be close to the iPhone while you're recording the video, you can get pretty good audio. There's no cursor involved, so obviously there's no way you can point to things on the iPhone as you're recording the operations you're performing. The iPhone videos pretty much always playable. You don't have control over the aspect ratio. It just produces videos with a reasonable aspect ratio. The second method uses a program called Reflector 3 that you install on a PC. It's harder to use because basically you fire up the Reflector 3 program on the PC, then you use Apple Play to mirror the iPhone display to the PC. Some systems using Reflector 3, mine included, won't record mic audio. So you have to dub the audio portion of the video in later. The Reflector 3 record won't record the cursor, so again, you can't use the PC cursor to point to things. My experience with Reflector 3 is that the videos are sometimes unplayable. And I did some research on the internet, and it may help that problem if you install the VLC player, which is free, and you set the Windows default MP4 player to VLC. That may help the unplayable video problem. And then lastly, with Reflector 3 recording, you have no control over the aspect ratio. It pretty much makes a square recording when you use it. Now the last method's using a screen recorder, and it's the most complicated and hardest to use because what you do is you fire up Reflector 3 to mirror the iPhone display to your PC screen. Then you fire up a screen recorder to record the part of the screen that the mirror display is on. Now this is the most flexible way. It's the hardest to use. And again, it needs Reflector 3 and the screen recording program. I use a CyberLink screen recorder that's part of their video editor package. This method will produce great audio if you use a really good PC microphone. And I do use a Shure SM35 mic, which is a very high quality microphone. This system of recording the iPhone will record the cursor as you point to things on the iPhone display, and it will even let you set colored mouse clicks to record as you click the mouse over parts of the display as you narrate. All the videos pretty much that Screen Recorder makes are playable, and you can make them in several formats. And you have full control over the aspect ratio. You define the size and shape of the recording area, and you can define it to get a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the one YouTube prefers. Now in terms of choosing which one to use, if you want a method that's very easy to use and don't need to record the cursor, choose the iPhone built-in recording feature. Doesn't require any extra software. Choose Reflector 3's record function if it will record audio on your system and if you don't need to record the cursor. It's fairly easy to use, and you can record good audio with a computer mic. Be wary though, I occasionally have to re-record unplayable videos. And if you really want a high quality, reliable method for recording iPhone videos with high quality narration, use the hardest method, which requires the screen recorder and Reflector 3. And again, you use Reflector 3 to mirror the iPhone display onto the PC screen. Use the screen recorder to record the part of the screen the display is on, and you can narrate. It even has the added advantage you can record the cursor as you can even have other things on the display that as you are recording, if there's something related to an iPhone function that you're preparing a video about. I hope that helps you decide how to record your iPhone screen. If you like this video, please like it and add a comment. If you subscribe and request email notifications, you'll be notified when videos are added to the channel. To visit my channel, click my name, Thomas Wallace, or my photo. Here's how to visit Tom's Tech Notes later. The address of the website is tomstechnotes.com, and to visit my channel, just search for TOMSTDA.